Hello, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Gaggia Anima. It came back for warranty repairs, so pretty much what we did is we replaced the whole grinder. So you see here, this is your older grinder. We replaced the whole thing out, and we did a little bit of work on the group unit. So we're going to do a test shot. We're going to do a lungo, because that's what the customer usually gets. We're using a test coffee for this. And then we're going to also test the steam and the hot water, and we might test another lungo to make sure it's running right. And we did set the grind setting to the right setting, the same exact one as the old grinder. Looking good. Then we're going to test hot water. Very well. Then we're going to test steam. Also working well. Alright, and that's about it. Thank you for the repair again. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.